name is Candice and I work for Frog London.
I'm Oscar. I work out of the Stockholm office within Frog.
My name is Thomas. I'm in the Frog Studio Munich.
Brands that we work with, they share a few challenges.
Creativity and marketing expertise, data.
How to get a good ROI on their digital investments.
How to deliver more effective marketing with less budget.
Prepare for a more competitive landscape.
What makes connected marketing great within Frog?
We have cherry-picked absolute superstars, bringing together the best from industry, agency and consulting.
Have these deep cross-functional teams that have a depth of expertise in the marketing, in the sales, in the data arena.
We are indeed a community of builders, of dreamers, of techies and of business consultants.
We have a team of experts who understand how to take a brand and build a compelling marketing strategy.
Are usually partners all along the journey, all the way from strategy and tactics, and also partners in execution.
All these people from the different disciplines, they create a great offering of Frog.
Frog is bringing all our customer-first capabilities under one roof.
What's very exciting about this and the Frog model is that
we really have a good combination of these talents.
That's when we can deliver something that's bigger than just a tactical response, but a seismic shift that can really make a mark.